So, let's clear something up. This course isn't going to start with a long history of AI. We're not going back to Alan Turing or the 1950s. We're going to start with something far more useful, what I call the two ages of AI. The first is what I call the algorithmic age of AI. This is the AI we all lived with for the last decade or so. Your Facebook feed? Algorithmic AI. Netflix suggesting your next guilty pleasure? Algorithmic AI? Useful? Yes. Understandable? Sort of. Usable? Not really, not by most people. Because back then you could talk about AI, but you couldn't do much with it yourself. The doing? That was for the data scientists, the tech team. You'd have a meeting where everyone nods and agrees, yes, we should use AI, and then someone in a hoodie would go away and build it. You knew it mattered, but it wasn't yours to touch. Then came November 2022. That's when we entered what I call the age of human AI. The release of ChatGPT changed everything, because suddenly AI wasn't just something to observe. It became something you could interact with. You didn't need to write code. You needed to ask a good question. This new age is no longer about technical skills. It's about human skills. Now, the most valuable skills in AI are clear communication, good collaboration, smart questioning, and probably the most underrated skill of all, empathy. See, we've moved from an AI age that was all about IQ, the smartest person in the room wins, to one that's about IQ and EQ. Why? Because to use AI, well, today you need to understand the problem, so you need to care about the customer. You need to think like a human. Yeah, because that's what helps you talk to the AI in a way that gets results. So yes, AI is changing fast. But maybe what's really happening is that being a good human just got a lot more valuable.